How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be installing a set of ZL1 Addons Deluxe Edition rock guards on my 2019 Hellcat Red Eye widebody. Now, there's a few different companies out there that make rock guards for these cars, but I decided to give the ZL1 Addons a try. It's supposedly a pretty easy install, so what do you say we get started? Alright, we're going to start on the driver's side front. Now I'm rotating my tires, so that's why the front wheel is off, so this will make it a lot easier to install these rock guards, but you can do these rock guards with the wheels on. Now, before you put these rock guards on, you want to make sure the inner fender is all nice and clean. You've washed it, so there's no debris that's going to be in there between the car and the rock guard. Then after that, you want to clean it with some alcohol wipes just to make sure there's no sticky debris on there. So down here I have outdoor double-sided sticky tape. The rock guards come with a hole and a screw that if you want to screw it into there for extra security so it doesn't come off, you can do that, but I don't want to drill any holes into my car, so I put double-sided sticky tape. Now this is the lowest piece this is the lowest part where the clip is going to go, and that is going to go right here where the colored part of your fender meets the black part. You can't put it down here because there's nowhere for it to go. This is the lowest part, so you want to line these two up and then line it up, kind of get the top part lined up, and then you can press it on to your double-sided sticky tape to help hold it in. Take your supplied clips, and all you do is just slide it on like that, and just give it a little push down to make it nice and sturdy. And then just, whoops, work your way up. That's all you gotta do. And the rock guard is installed. And then, like I said, just push down on the clips to try and help it bite into the inside of the fender and onto the rock guard. Push this down a little more. Make sure everything's nice and snug. And that's your front one. Now let me get this tire back on and we'll move to the back one. Alright everybody, we've got the driver's side rear tire off so we can install the rock guard. Now again, like I said before, you can do this with the tires on, but since I am rotating them, it just makes it a little easier. Also, make sure to wipe down the fender to have it all clean from debris. Use an alcohol wipe to make sure there's no residue on there. Alright, and again, the rear rock guards have a hole and a screw, so you can mount it right there for an extra support. But again, I don't want to drill any holes into my car, so I'm using the outdoor double-sided sticky tape. And to do this one, you want to line this top part of the rock guard up with right here where the line is. So you want to line it up right there. Get your first clip on. Just get it started. Line these spots up where they're going to go. And then you can take the bottom piece and push it onto the sticky tape for support. And then put your other clips on. And again, push them in so they bite into the plastic and the inner fender. Push on the sticky tape to help make sure it's nice and tight, good and secure. And then there you go. You have the rear rock guard installed. So it's the same procedure for both the driver and the passenger side, so I'm not going to show you me doing the passenger side. So all you have to do is repeat the same process on the other side, and you have all your rock guards installed, protecting your wide body Challenger. All right, everybody, pulled it out of the garage so we can see what the rock guards look like out here in the sun. Now, all in all, each rock guard only took a few minutes. If you're only using the clips and double-sided sticky tape like I did, because you didn't have to remove the wheels. But if you're going to want to secure them better to the car with the screw, then it's going to take a little longer because you're going to have to jack the car up and remove the wheels. All in all, the rock guards look like they should do a pretty good job of protecting the car. Another shot of the passenger side. We'll have to test them out when we go to the track. Hopefully with the rock guards, we should be able to keep the rubber off the back portion of the car so you don't have to use any tape. And hopefully with these front guards, it should protect the lower portion of the car down here, and this back flare right there will get eaten up by the rocks. All in all, these rock guards look really nice, made of good sturdy plastic. They are again from ZL1 Addons. Well, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn your bell notification on so you can stay up to date on my videos. I'm out, and everybody be safe.